Welcome back. So is a continuation from our last video where we talked about the tab wire. So the second component that we'll be looking at in this video is called the buzz wire. So the buzz wire, just as the tab wire, is also, you can see, it's also a conductor. And we have established in the last video that conductors are materials that allow electrons or currents to flow or pass through them. So this is a buzz wire. So the buzz wire is also made of excuse me, is also made of tin. So it's a tin conductor. So to compare the wire together, you can see we talked about the tab wire in our last video, and this is the buzz wire. So the tab wire is a bit more flexible than the buzz wire. The buzz wire is thicker compared to that of the tab wire. So but our focus in this video is the buzz wire. So where the buzz wire comes into play, so this is our PV module that we have assembled already. So looking at it, we have our cells, and we established in the last video the function where the tab wire comes into play. So the buzz wire is for the final connection. So we have finished assembling our PV module, so we need to now get our final polarity, our negative and our positive. So that's where the buzz wire comes into play. If we look closely at the edge of this panel, we'll notice the buzz wire right here. So the buzz wire is for the general connection, for the final positive and the negative of the PV module. So we have assembled, laid our solar cells using the tab wire to connect each of the cells to have the final polarity, to make it one circuit, to flow in one circuit. This is where the buzz wire comes into play. That's it right here, for the final positive and the final negative of the PV module. So thank you, stay tuned for the next video. Ciao.